Hello, my name is Hampus Isaksson. I'm a bass player and alumni of Musicians Institute. And today I'm going to talk about a technique called double thumbing that was pioneered by Victor Wooten and then in recent years taken way further by animals as leaders. So this technique differs quite a lot from the standard slap technique that a lot of people are taught, which is this. Where you use your thumb to hit the string to get a percussive sound. In double thumbing, you turn your thumb so it's parallel to the string. It's not up or down, it's parallel. And instead of thinking slap, you think pick. So the thumb goes up and down. If you've never done this before, it's gonna feel very weird. So start as slow as you need to. So this technique is already more flexible, I would say, than the standard slap technique, but it becomes really cool when you add the other fingers in combination. So you can do, for example, on just one note, you can do thumb down, and on the way up you catch your index finger. So you get a grouping of 3. Now let's do it over and over again with no stop. You can also add more fingers, so if you add another one you get a grouping of 4. So and if you want to do the really hard version, you add 3 fingers. So that'll be a grouping of 5. So if you want to take this even a step further, you can do this animals as leaders type of riff that I played in the metal song, where you combine hammer-ons with your fretting hand with the thumbing on the right hand. So what I did was I hammer on 4 notes to D, A, F sharp, C sharp. So I'm basically arpeggiating a D major 7 chord. Arpeggiating means you play the notes of the chord separately instead of, all together. So when you land on that last note, you do one of those groupings of 3 talked about. So 4 plus 3, there'll be a grouping of 7. faster. And then you can move that around. And that's my approach to double thumbing. Coming to Musicians Institute gave me access to a lot of resources and awesome instructors here that helped me really develop this technique and many others like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have fun practicing it.